So my name is Adiel Akplogan. I'm the CEO of Afrinic, Afrinic being one of the 5 regional internet registry serving Africa region. I am also the chair of the NRO, which is the Number Resource Organization, the group of the five areas. So I'm representing the NRO in the coordination group. I'm appointed in the group with my colleague Paul Wilson, which is the CEO of Epinic instead. Yeah. We are one of the 3 major beneficiaries of IANA services, because the numbers are managed regionally by our different organizations. So we have a set of global policy defined by our community that IANA used to assign to us number of resources according to those policy. So we are one of their direct customer. So the transition of the stewardship affects us in a way because that is what defines the framework in which IANA give that kind of service. So we are directly involved. But beside the NTIA contract, as RAR and NRO, we have other mechanisms that are already in place right now, which allow us to exercise a kind of control and review of the quality of service provided by IANA. So those mechanisms are what we're going to look at now and see if they are sufficient, if they have to evolve. We are not talking about who is doing the service or who is providing the service. We're talking about the stewardship, the role that the NTIA has been having for the past few years since the IANA function has been delegated to IANA. So that stewardship is what the group is focused on. What will replace the NTIA? How do we, what will be the mechanism to make sure that IANA through ICANN perform the function in an appropriate way? And that is why in one of our response as NRO to the consultation of ICANN, we say, the main customer, the main beneficiary of the IANA function should be deeply involved in the process, because we know what we're expecting from IANA better than anyone else. Even though if our function has a very broad impact in the user of the internet, in the community globally, but in terms of service, in terms of operation, we know. We are the one who knows better what IANA should be doing and how they would do that. It is how do we make sure that we have a mechanism in place to make sure that IANA does what it has to do in terms of service, in terms of implementing the policy, and in terms of making sure that the bottom-up legitimacy of the system, of number system, is kept, because we don't want IANA to start defining policy on how they allocate numbers. We want to make sure that our community, which give us the legitimacy to run the resources, are still kept in the picture, the final picture. Within the coordination group, there is a good understanding of what we are here to do. Maybe not quite well in the wider community, which is something that we need to continue doing. But I also think that the fact that ICANN itself has set up a different accountability process for its own accountability has removed that misunderstanding a little bit from the IANA stewardship transition thing. So within the group, I am very confident that we all understand what we are here for and what is expected from us. It is not the function itself, it is not ICANN accountability, it is the stewardship role that NTA has been fulfilling. How do we replace that by something that is sustainable and accountable to everyone?